Hello guys, and welcome back again to the channel. In this video, I will talk about 3 features available in GoodLock, right? But you know, GoodLock is not that easy and simple thing, right? With little, we could say stuff or features or settings available in it, right? So of course, there's like many features and settings available in GoodLock, and you can get like many benefits from it, of course, using your Android phone. This is an S24, of course, right? But the one that I'm talking about in this video, right, I'll talk about Home app, right? And in Home app, right, we have actually 6 features available, right? We have the home screen, backup and restore, task manager, gesture settings, edge panel, and the last one, share manager. You will find the link for that video, right, up on the top of this video, right, and in the description as well, right? But in this video, I will talk about 3 more features in Home app here, which is, right, the task changer, the gesture settings, right, and the edge panel. So I hope you like it. So let's dive into our video for today, guys. Open GoodLock, right? And then here we have gesture settings, right? So tap on it, right, and turn it on. But before we see what happens, right, with this feature, which is the gesture setting, right, there is one more thing we have to change it in your settings, right? So go to the settings, okay? Go to the settings, right? Tap here, and then scroll down, display here, right? And then here we have the navigation bar, right? So you have to change the navigation bar from buttons to swipe gesture, okay? So let's go back, right? Now here you can find the navigation bar is changed. Now let's go back to GoodLock, right? And here tap on home gesture animation tuning, right? And here is, okay, toggle it on, right? And here is the first one, right? So I'm gonna try each one of them and see the difference, guys, right? So now it's set at on, we can say, the classic one, right? Okay, did you see that? Now I'm swiping it, right? And trying to go out of GoodLock, right? So let's try the next one, which is elegance. And then the dynamic. Did you see the difference? Right? And then here we have the sweet one, right? Oh, I like this one actually. Okay. And here we have simple tuning. Okay. If you tap here, right, you can tune it yourself, emotionally or fast, right? So we'll go for emotionally. Okay. Yeah, it goes slowly and fast, just like that. Okay, so it bursts, right? But as I told you guys, I really like this one, so feel free to choose the one that you like. And here we have advanced tuning as well, right? So if you tap here, right, there are like detailed settings available here, right? If you get into it, actually, there are like many, like dozens of settings that you can tune it yourself, right? Or just reset it, okay? So feel free to do it, right? So this is like for damping, okay? And here we have the stiffness, everything is the icon scale, right? Actually, I mean, there's a lot, yeah, to mention here and to adjust and change the advanced tuning here. So I think for me, I would choose this one, guys, right? Because I really liked it, right? But yeah, I mean, feel free to change to whatever you want, right? So let's go back. Okay, the second one, here we have the task changer, right? Now tap on it, right? And toggle it on from here, all right? So the first, actually we have 4 layout types available here, right? The first one is the tilt stack, right? You can see it from here, right, guys? So this is the layout stack, right? Now for the grid one, see the difference here, right? Yeah, I really like this one actually, right? And here we have the vertical list. Okay, so here we have the vertical list. This one also is like nice actually. Okay, this is the most recent one, right? And the slim list available here, right? Yeah, some people prefer this one because it doesn't like we can say show details, right? So concerning privacy, this might be, yeah, the best one. However, feel free to change to that to the one that you would like to choose. Okay, now one more thing to mention here about the layout types, right? Now, for example, let's go back to the vertical list, right, and see the difference if I change one of the settings here, right? Now, if I change here, if I toggle on the circular list, right, you'll see the difference, guys, now, right? So it turns to a circular list, right, guys? Yeah, actually it is smooth. Yeah, it is smooth, and I really like it, actually. Yeah, the search bar also feature or setting is available here, right, guys? So let's try, right, and find any search bar available here. No, of course it is not, right? But if I toggle on the search bar here, right, and activate this the layout available here, now I can find the search bar is available here. Tap on it, right, and then you can search and find the app that you want from there, right? So this was number 2. Let's head to number 3. So the third one, again, let's go to GoodLock, right? And the one that I want to mention here is the Edge panel. So tap on Edge panel, right? Before we toggle it on, right, that I want to say the Edge panel is available, right, even if you do not turn or toggle on the Edge panel from here, right? So what do we have here? We have like 2 rows of like we could say recent apps, right, and some other apps available on your mobile phone, right? So you can reach from here. One more thing to mention is that you can edit here, right? So you can add more apps to here, okay? So we'll just tap on the app and they will be added to here. If you want to remove them, it's okay. Just remove them just like that, right? So what does the Edge panel do for us, right? To this Edge panel, right? Actually, it does this, right? So let's keep it away, toggle it on, right? So the first thing here is you can run more favorite items at once, right? So toggle it on and see the difference. Now I have 3 rows, right? So from 1 or 2, right, you have more apps, right, available here. You can add more, of course, if you tap on edit, okay? Let's go back, right, and see the second option. Now the second option here says scroll through the recent apps, right? Now if I open the Edge panel, now the recent apps, only 1 page is available, because say here, right, I cannot scroll right through the recent apps. But if I toggle it on from here, right, so you'll be able to scroll right through the recent apps, right, that you've recently used. So this was about the Edge panel that you can use it right through Home Hub. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked it. Share with your friends, leave us a comment and like the video, and see you next time.